Hello and welcome to this unboxing and tutorial of our Snap Popper bundle for the Great Machine. Inside your box you will have a 9.5mm Snap Popper die, 120 sets of silver. In my box I've got 20 red, 20 white, 20 yellow, 20 baby pink and 20 black as well. Let's show you how it all works on our machine. Okay, so let's start by taking out our 9.5mm Snap Popper die set. This is our base die. It is spring loaded. This is going to go into the bottom of our machine. This is our top die. This is threaded, so it's going to get screwed into the top of our machine. We can take a spiky open ring, which looks like this, and we'll put this onto our base die. I'm going to take a male end, which looks like that. I'm going to flip it upside down. I'll flip it upside down, and we'll, like this, and we'll put it into the top die. I'll take some of my material and we'll put that in between the two dies and compress that down. So it should look like that. We'll take another spiky open ring again, pop that onto the base die. This time round we're going to take a female end. This end here is where the spikes are going to go into. So we're going to flip this so we have a smooth edge, which is going to go into the top die. Take our material, put that in between the dies and compress. Should look something like that. Snap that together. And there we have it.